My video tutorial these days will provide you with help to get rid of the new adware type application called StationSure. StationSure stands for a new adware attacking many Mac computers these days. StationSure adware, once installed, may periodically display its really intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. And if this StationSure adware was somehow found on your system, you definitely need to undertake the measures and get rid of this horrible adware from your computer as soon as possible. So you need to right click on it and move it to the trash. Also, to be convinced that your system is free of any other threats, I do recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, use the green download button, install the application, and once it is successfully installed, start thoroughly researching the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and remove all other threats from your system. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.